In the last video, I talked about recursive functions. In this video, we will see this in practice. Let's start defining our SUMAll function imperatively, and then let's convert that into something more functional. So our normal SUMAll function is going to receive a list of numbers, and it's going to return a number. I'm going to start defining a variable called result, assign value 0 to it. I'm going to iterate over my array, and I'm going to update the result variable, and at the end returning the results. If we try this, goes to log normal sum, and let's try this with the array 1 2 3 4. If I save, we see 10 on the right side. But as I mentioned, in functional programming, we don't have loops. We don't have for, we don't have while, and we don't do mutations. So how can we write SUMAll function without these tools? The answer is with function recursion. So first, let me try to define the SUMAll type. It's going to receive a list of numbers, and it's going to return a number. Our SUMAll function of type SUMAll is going to receive a list of numbers, and it's going to return this. For a general case, as I said, we want to extract the head first and then call SUMAll with the rest of it. So the result, the value of SUMAll of list of numbers is a head of it plus SUMAll of the rest of it. The way I can do this in JavaScript, we have something called array destructuring, and it works like this. Now that I have the head, I'm going to return head plus calling the SUMAll with the rest of the array. What's going to happen if our array is empty? The head is going to be undefined. So we are missing that case. Let's fix that. If xs.length is 0, if our array is empty, what is the value of SUMAll for an empty array? It's 0. Let's try this. If we call our SUMAll, if we save, same results. All right. As I said, like in functional programming, we really like to see everything as a formula, as a algebra equations. So let's try to do that this time. Const SUMAll2 of type SUMAll is going to receive an array of numbers. What it's going to do, it's going to check if the length of it is 0, meaning the array is empty. In that case, it should return 0. Otherwise, we need to extract the head. At this step, we know that our array is not empty, so xs0 plus, and we need to call SUMAll2 with the rest of the array. How can we do this? Arrays in JavaScript have a variable, a method called slice, which is doing exactly what we need. So here, the slice1 says, give me the subarray of xs starting from index 1. All right, let's try this. Console log SUMAll2 1 2 3 4, and if I save, we see 10 again. All right, so now our SUMAll, SUMAll2, they are functions, right? We can compose them with other functions, we can call them, anything we can do with functions. All right, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.